It's your boy, Young Gold Money, Super Gold Saver, and it's another day, another dollar with Petron Pay. As you can see, I have $350.66. As you know, I will keep updating you to keep you updated on the journey, how it's going. If you'd like to get involved, I'd leave a contact number below. Just contact me, WhatsApp, Telegram, and I'll help you get set up. I'll also leave a link below for you to register for your free account, and I will show you how to earn £30 for free from Coinbase if you have Coinbase. Now, as you can see, my daily bonus is 194, so I've been building that up every day. It goes up without fail, whether you refer people or not. Now, this video is going to be based on people who don't want to refer. Obviously, most of my videos are based on people who like to build, but this video is going to be based on people who want to just come in as an investor and not actually build a team. So when you come in, it's very simple. At the top, you have the menu, you select your barrel, you pick whatever barrel you want from $25 to $5,000, and you will receive a daily payout depending on the barrel that you choose. Now, the first barrel, which is $25, pays about 38 cents a day. So every day you'll get 38 cents until they pay you out about $75. Now, that's the basic one, but the average package is the one that I picked, which is the $999 package. As you can see here, my total investment was $999. I did start on the $25 barrel, and then I just learnt the system, and then I upgraded to the $999 barrel. So far, I have received $971. So I have actually received back my initial investment that I put in of $999. So right now I'm free rolling, as in I've withdrawn that, I have that money. I can either use that money to upgrade my barrel to the next one, or I can keep it. I'm not quite sure on what I'm going to do yet. If I do upgrade, I will do a video for you guys so you guys can see me upgrade it from that. But I still have $2,000 remaining to receive. So I may just use $1,000 from that to upgrade. And then I'm free rolling and I'm still being able to upgrade. As you can see, my daily bonus, which means this is what I receive every day, no matter what, whether I refer people or not. So remember, this is based on people who don't want to refer. So if you don't want to refer, you will get $14.99 every day, no matter what, until your remaining gains are finished. So remember, this was $3,000. I've already received about $971 of it, and I have $2,000 remaining to receive. So this will just keep paying me $15 every day until this maxes out. But I will upgrade before that. As soon as I have enough again to upgrade, I will upgrade, because I don't want to use the money that I made. I like to free roll. I like to put money in, make the money I made back, take that out, keep going. Now I'm in for free. Okay, so as you can see here, I have $350. I'm not going to withdraw it. I'm going to leave it because I plan to upgrade. So I'm just going to leave it and let it grow until it's enough to select the next barrel, which is $2,000. And me, by doing that, it will automatically increase my daily bonus. So as you can see, it's $15 now. If I upgrade to the $2,000 one, it will increase. So yeah, guys, very simple. I also want to say that I did get promoted. So if you go to here and you go to Program of Awards, let me go to binary first so you guys can see. Go to my binary. As you can see here, I don't have a barrel anymore. I now have a star because I have reached the next rank. Now I am helping my next members to be able to do the same thing as me. We grow, we build, and we rank up to the next ranks. So yeah, guys, what's that, I think it's about 2 weeks we've been in, and I've already promoted to the next rank. I don't have too far to go for the next rank again, so I'm going to aim for that, and you guys will get to watch my journey. Now, please like, subscribe, comment if this helps you. I hope it's good content and you guys are getting valuable information from it. Subscribe, the link below to register for your free Petron account, And if you don't have any money and you have a Coinbase account, hit me up on WhatsApp and I'll show you how to get $30 for free for you to be able to open your first $25 barrel on PetronPay and get started earning income for yourself. Young Gold Money, Super Gold Saver. I'm out.